If we could just get away from this place. We spent our whole life chasing nothing. It seems like it's all such a waste. It's all such a waste. Oh, this is paradise. There's highs and there's lows. Whoa, you know there's valleys and peaks. Whoa, but that water flows freely through my soul up there in Peppermint Creek. It's good to be free. Oh, this is paradise. Long lives the sign reads, still it's blurry to me. Drinking rum with the salty sailor, picking mangoes down in Belize. The pirates lie for me. Whoa, this is paradise. Whoa, this is paradise. This one goes out to all our fallen friends. Live while you live. Against the odds, I fight to raise a soldier in this war. An underdog, a losing clown, but I've been here before. They cheer you up, tear you down, rip you up, spit you out. One thing I can say, it's great to be alive. Alive and ripping. 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 One day I'm ran up alive. Found a gun and it took its life. What a terrible way to die. It's good to be alive. When it's time to go. Kevin died of an overdose. That's the thing that you never know. It's good to be alive. Sacrifice a sacred life, cut all ties within. Sacrifice another life, a new one shall begin. One I'm lost, carried straight from all our fallen friends. Buried deep within. It's great to be alive. Alive and face a soldier in this war. Carry on for all our friends who passed along before. Raise a toast, fuck a bull, meditate and let it go. One thing I can say, it's great to be alive, alive every bit. It's great to be alive, alive every bit. It's great to be alive, alive every bit. It's great to be alive, alive every bit.
Greyhound bus, Lord, I'm traveling this one. I'm going through Shreveport, down to New Orleans. Been traveling these highways, been doing things my way. It's been making me lonesome on her handmade. Well, her hair was jet black, and her name was Bodine. I thought she was a queen of the Basin Street Queens. Well, she got